Let's hear from Natalie. As a first-generation, first-year pharmacy student, Natalie is a student ambassador for Midwestern University, who enjoys volunteering at one of the many clinics available to her. Clinical experience at Midwestern is a pivotal part of the educational environment and making sure Midwestern graduates are day one ready. Natalie, tell us more.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to be in the medical field. I started off volunteering at the age of 16 at a nearby oncology center, not knowing what kind of medical professional I would be. 10 years later, I'm here at Midwestern knowing who and where I want to be. Midwestern's pharmacy program is full of opportunities to apply the skills you learn in the classroom. Currently, I'm a volunteer at a clinic for the underserved. My role is to provide medication therapy management. This project promotes collaboration between the healthcare team and patient to optimize safe and effective medication use, along with preventative health screenings. With supervision from the pharmacist on site, we provide medication assessment, review, and education adherence within food pantries and housing insecurity shelters. Pharmacy school can be stressful, but it is these real-life experiences that make the hard work rewarding. As a first-year pharmacy student, this clinical experience has helped me gain the confidence in my future role as a pharmacist. Midwestern cares about students finding their passion and succeeding. The Illinois Council of Health Pharmacists chapter at Midwestern helps students interested in residency and working in a clinical setting. Their different networks in pediatrics, oncology, infectious diseases, and psychiatry allows the students the opportunity to grow and learn in their field of interest. As of now, we have hosted several pharmacy advocacy events, diversity, equity, and inclusion panels, and presentations. The reason I got into the medical field is my parents. Unfortunately, they both passed recently. Continuing my education without my cheerleaders has been tough, but Midwestern faculty have offered their full support from the very beginning and helped me gain the necessary skills to become a clinical specialty pharmacist and make my parents proud. Back to you, Alex.
Very inspiring and helpful to so many people, Natalie. Your volunteer work at the clinic not only affords you the opportunity to learn and grow, but also positively impact your community. We can really see the passion you have for Midwestern and for helping others. Cheers, Natalie.